you're a woman and you're considered even 0.5% then 9 times out of 10 you've experienced what Sukihana just experienced. You got the one guy who doesn't quite get it. Like, you don't want to be mean to Paul, but you don't like him. Paul's too touchy and you want him to stop. See, if you go the fuck off on Paul, then everybody will think that you're the aggressor. So you laugh it off in hopes that he'll understand that you're uncomfortable. You got the one guy there that knows that Paul's a creep but doesn't want to be involved, so he pretends like he doesn't see it. Got another guy that's in complete and total shock because he knew that Paul was creepy, but he never really seen it in person. And so he's going to tell all of his friends how creepy Paul is. But he's not going to stop Paul. Got a couple guys in the corner that's probably going to join Paul because why not? And then you got the one that absolutely knows it's wrong. You can see it on his face. You can see it on his body language. He doesn't like it. But if Paul walks up to him and daps him up, he's going to dap Paul up about it because, you know, that's my boy. If anybody steps up and says, hey, no means no, she doesn't like it, she's uncomfortable, stop. Well, they're no longer going to be friends with him because he's a simp ass bitch who's clearly on a woman's side. We've all met Paul, right? Like, I'm not the only one. We've all met a Paul.